Hello, and welcome to the walkthrough of OnActuate's Doc++. Ever faced with the challenge of getting a document updated from multiple users and still need to maintain the confidentiality of the document? Or struggling with managing various versions of the same document and tracking changes through its versions? Or spending hours to manage changes, updates from various users to the final document? OnActuate's Doc++ can make your life easy. Doc++ is a document management system that helps large enterprise businesses to streamline document editing by multiple users at the same time. Doc++ is built on some key features such as security. It uses single sign-on by integrating with Active Directory, Word Editor, an online word processing engine designed to fully automate common word processing requirements. It has comprehensive text formatting, table support, and image editing features. Concurrent users. Multiple users can work on one document simultaneously. Approval system. Built-in configurable change approval system. Track changes. Change history is automatically recorded and is viewable instantly. Confidentiality. This tool helps administrators to maintain confidentiality of the product as it allows them to select a particular portion of the document that needs to be edited and then assign it to a concerned user. Comments. Comments are maintained in this tool, which helps user track the comments provided during approval or rejection process. Merging. After approval, user can easily merge the edited document into the original document. This feature eliminates the need for manually merging the documents. It's hosted on both cloud and on-premise. The above features will be explained in detail while going through the tool. The tool allows you to add users as well. Users can be added with one of the three types of access levels as listed below. Administrator with delegation. These users have full access to the tool. Administrator. These users have same permissions as administrator with delegation, except they cannot add a new user or change permission for existing user. Normal user. These users have access to task management section only. Let's understand these levels in detail. We are on login screen of our tool. Let's say Shivali Gupta, who is an administrator with delegation, logs in. Since she has full permission on the tool, she can access both administrator and task management sections. Let's navigate to Manage User screen. Here she can add new user or view, delete, or change permission for existing users. Let's say we would like to grant Ashish Sharan, administrator with delegation access. Shivali will click on this icon and change the permission. Please note that on each click, the next permission type is selected. Click till the desired permission is assigned. Also, when a new user joins the organization, Shivali needs to grant them access to the tool. To do so, in this input box, she will give the username, say Rachit Goyal, choose permission as normal user, and then click on Save button to save the user. Please note that the user should already be added to the Active Directory before the administrator can add that user to the tool. When Rachit leaves the organization, he needs to be removed from the tool as well. Shivali will again navigate back to the screen and will click on Delete icon, and the user is deleted. She can also delete multiple users at the same time by checking these checkboxes and clicking on Delete Selected Users button. The tool also allows you to set up approver groups. Approver group is a group of users who are responsible for reviewing any changes to the document. Let's navigate to Manage Approver screen. Shivali can create, delete approver groups and can also add or remove members in a group. To add a new group, provide the group name, say OnActuate Reviewer, and click on Create Approvers Group. A new approver group is created. To delete an approver group, you can click on Delete icon here and the group will be deleted. For adding or removing members from an approver group, you can click on this icon and you will get a pop-up screen from where you select a user to be added from the drop-down, say Achal Mehan, and click on Add Approver. Let's add one more user, a Priyaroop. For removing a member, you can uncheck the user to be removed and click on Save Changes. This will remove the user from the members list. Next, let's discuss about administrator user. Say Achal Mehan, who is an administrator, logs in and navigates to Manage User screen. As you can see, he does not have the option to add a new user or to change permission for an existing user. However, he can delete existing users. As discussed previously, a user with administrator access has all the rights, same as the administrator with delegation access, except they cannot add a new user or change permission for an existing user. That was a brief overview of the 3 access types that we have in our tool. Let's now see how the tool works. Say Shivali Gupta, who is an administrator with delegation, needs to get a document updated. On the login screen, Shivali logs in using her Windows login ID and password. She lands on the Manage Document screen where she clicks on this Upload Document icon. On the Upload Document screen, she fills in the required fields, that is name as Update Proposal Document, description as Need to modify the company profile. Click on Select File button and select the document to be edited on OnActuate Proposal. And click on Start Upload button to upload the document. Once uploaded, the document is visible on the document list here. She clicks on this icon to open the document, fill the required fields like task name, update company profile section. User to whom the task needs to be assigned is Anu Sharma. Approver group OnActuate reviewer, and target end date is 26th. Select the section of the document to be edited and then assign the task to the user by clicking on this Assign a Task button. The task has been assigned to Anu Sharma. Now, let's log in as Anu. Once she logs in, Anu gets a list of tasks assigned to her in her inbox. She can edit the document either online or offline. To edit the document online, she can click on Edit icon here to open the document. As you can see, she can only view a section of the main document that has been assigned to her. She makes the required changes to the assigned section and saves it. For editing the document offline, you can download the document by clicking on the Download button, modify it, save it, and then upload by clicking on this Upload button. Once all the changes are made, Anu clicks on this icon to send the changes for approval. On click, she needs to capture the comments in the Send to Document for Approval screen, say Company Profile Modified, and click on Send. User can add more details regarding changes made by them before submitting for approval. As we can see, the status of the document has been changed to Waiting Approval, and the history of the comments can be viewed by clicking on this comment icon. When Achal Mehan, who is a member of OnActuate Reviewer Group, logs in, he clicks on the Task to Approve section, where all tasks pending his approval are listed. He can take actions like download, approve, or reject. He'll have to download the document to review the changes. In case he is not satisfied with the changes, he can go back to the tool and click on Reject icon, provide details of why he's rejecting, and would reject the changes. For this demo, let's say he agrees with the changes made and clicks on Approve icon, enter comments, say Changes Approved, and click on Approve, and the changes are approved. After the document is approved, Anu can see the approved document in her inbox or approved folders. And she would now merge the document to the original document by clicking on the Merge icon and adding relevant comments, say Company Profile Updated and Approved, and click on Merge. Changes are now merged to the original document with valid comments. Anu can track changes and comments provided in the History section. If the owner of the document, which is Shivali Gupta, wants to track and check open tasks or task comments, she can do so by clicking on Document in the Manage Document screen. Here, as you can see, there are no open tasks as of now. In this section, you can view all the comments for each task. If Shivali wants to compare the merged changes with the original document, she can click on this icon and the changes made are visible here. With this, we conclude our walkthrough session. We hope you will enjoy OnActuate's Doc++. Write to us at support@onactuate.com if you have any further queries or feedback. Thank you for watching.